Hi everyone, how are you doing? I'm Ritaj, and today we're going to talk about the linking sounds lesson. Before I start, I want to tell you that this lesson is the most important lesson that you will learn ever, so please pay attention while listening to it.
First rule, consonant and vowel blends. When a word ends with a consonant and the following word starts with a vowel, the sound can be blended. For an example, hold on, hold on. Please repeat after me. Sleep in, sleep in. Look at, look at. Get up, get up. Hold on a second. Can you pick up some milk for us at the store? Hold on a second. Can you pick up some milk for us at the store? She's an old friend of mine. She's an old friend of mine. I wish I had a car. I wish I had a car. A bird is flying around the tree. A bird is flying around the tree. What an interesting book. What an interesting book. Second rule, same or similar sounds. When two same or similar sounds meet, drop one of them, and it's mostly the last sound in the first word. For an example, this style, this style. 1, 2, 1, 2. Bad door, bad door. Drink cola, drink cola. Need to, need to. I think this song is about the singer's black cat. I think this song is about the singer's black cat. You don't need to prove it to them. You don't need to prove it to them. Third rule, unreleased plosive consonant. Plosive consonants are T, D, P, B, K, and G. When a plosive consonant comes before another consonant, it becomes unreleased. For an example, good man, good man. Fat cat, fat cat. Stop feet, stop feet. Grab me, grab me. Black bag, black bag. Big house, big house. Fourth rule, consonant cluster. When a T or D is between consonants, the sound can be dropped. For an example, just need, just need. Must be, must be. My friend Joan, my friend Joan. Board game, board game. You and me, you and me. Fifth rule, dropped TH. When a TH comes after S, Z, or N, it can be dropped. For an example, on the table, on the table. In the box, in the box. In there, in there. Is that, is that. Kiss the baby, kiss the baby. Guess that, guess that. Sixth rule, NT between vowels. When the NT comes between vowels, the T can be dropped. For an example, internet, internet. International, international. Interview, interview. Sentimental, sentimental. Wanted, wanted. Winner, winner. Seventh rule, disappearing the H and the TH. Unstressed pronouns beginning with the H or the TH, like he, his, her, him, and them, usually drop the H or the TH after a consonant. For an example, I like her. I like her. Is he here? Is he here? Was he sleeping? Was he sleeping? Ask her about it. Ask her about it. Look him up. Look him up. Look him up. Give her a call. Give her a call. She's crazy about him. She's crazy about him. Did he do that? Did he do that? Eighth rule, linking a vowel to a vowel. First, adding y sound. For an example, fríos, fríos. We are, we are. Tree is, tree is. Play out, play out. Say it, say it. They is, they is. Why are, why are. I am, I am. Try it, try it. Toys, toys. Enjoy it, enjoy it. Annoy us, annoy us. Second, adding what sound. Who are, who are. You ask, you ask. Through wall, through wall. Go out, go out. Know us, know us. Grow up, grow up. How are, how are. Now was, now was. Cow is, cow is.